What's going on? Bearded Josh here. Today we're going to be going over 5 things on how to be successful at growing your beard. Stay tuned. Now, a lot of people overcomplicate growing their beard and they stress out about it, about what type of beard oil or brush or how they should be grooming their beard, whatever the case is. But these, in my opinion, are my 5 steps, things that just kind of keep in the back of your mind. So the first thing is learn your own body. Now, when I mean learn your own body is not everyone's beard is the same. Yes, most men's beards are curly unless you're like that 1% that is like super straight. Now, personally with me, I was able to start growing a beard in high school, my sophomore year, but I was into other things like ROTC and I was doing sports to where I was clean shaven, so I really didn't have that opportunity to grow anything. Most people aren't able to grow their beards until way late in age. Like my brother, he's only a couple years younger than I am, and he's had a patchy beard as long as I can remember. Now, that doesn't mean in the future he wouldn't be able to grow a full beard, but right now, just because of his age, he probably cannot. I know plenty of dudes who weren't able to grow a beard and it was super patchy and they had like missing everywhere, and then now, bang, they got a full beard, it's super thick, thicker than mine, and they can grow in. Like, I have these patches that still won't grow in, but you know what? Maybe later on in life they will fill in. Now, what brings me into my next point is grow what you got, grow what you have, rock what you have. A lot of people can't grow anything. So basically, do not have beard envy. Whatever you can grow right now is what you can grow. You can't help it. There is no magical pill to help fill in your skin with hair. Now, along those lines, there is things that you can kind of consider, which brings me into my next point. Your health. What you put in your body translates into your hair. So if you're eating crappy foods, guess what? Your hair's not going to be that healthy. Now, for me, what I use on a daily basis and I put in my coffee in the morning is collagen. Collagen helps with your nails, your skin, your hair. It helps grow thicker, not faster, thicker, and is for the overall health of your body. It also helps with your gut health, with like digestive issues that some people may have. So definitely consider, do your research, go out, see if you can pick up a thing of collagen. It comes in like a powder form, a pill form. I personally get the powder form and I just throw a scoop into my coffee in the morning. Now, this is a big thing that I get, which brings me to my next point, is premium beard oils versus regular beard oils going to help you that much more? The answer for me personally is no. So a lot of beard oils have the same ingredients, whether or not they get them from a particular place or whatever the case is. They all essentially work the same. It's all about personally what you like, and if it's like a thinner or thicker beard oil, the volume that it comes in, the price point, or things like Beard Brand, which you're paying for the customer service, you're paying for the brand. Beard Brand's been around for longer than any of these other beard companies. They were around when no one else was. So don't stress. Get a beard oil that's going to fit your budget. Just make sure you look at the ingredients and make sure you're not getting anything that's going to be harmful to your beard, because a lot of things are marketed for beards but really aren't meant for them. Now, my last point, and I think the most important point, would be to love yourself. And what I mean by that is to find something to take your stress away. Stress is contributed with... Now, my last point, and I think the most important point to me, is loving yourself. What I mean by that is not stressing out from everyday life. Find a hobby, find something to do to take your mind off of it, because stress does kill your beard. It can cause your hair to fall out. It can cause other health issues. So find something that you truly do love as a hobby or something else. Go for a walk, hang out with your loved one, go play with your kids, whatever the case is. In my case, I ride a motorcycle, so I love to ride. So I'll just take a ride for like an hour just to get my mind off of that, everyday life, going to work, 9 to 5. Also, another super important thing that people don't really think of is hydration. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. I drink about a gallon of water a day if I'm not doing anything. If I am doing something, then I drink more. The water, just like with anything else, when you drink a tons of water, you feel refreshed. Your skin is nice and like spongy versus more of like an elastic feeling. Water really does help your beard. I promise you. Try drinking water, a lot of excess water for a week, and then come back and comment on this video and then let me know how your beard is feeling from before and after. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Growing a beard, don't stress about it. Just do what you can with what you have. It's a journey, it's not a sprint. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, like the video, throw a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And as always, stay safe and stay beard strong. Catch you later.